I'm being joined by Member of Parliament Priyanka Chaturvedi. Ma'am, today the opposition is going to hold a protest in front of the Makar Dwar, and yesterday Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju said that you can't put conditions as far as a timeline is concerned for discussion on SIR.
This is such a ridiculous argument that you can't put conditions to a timeline. What exact timeline is he finding difficult to discuss? Now, the parliament runs as per a timeline mandated by the government of India and by seeking the nod of the president of India. So, if there can be a timeline to what business would be discussed, if there can be a timeline to the schedule of the parliament, why can't there be a timeline? And all we are asking for is give us a date, give us a number of hours that you're going to be discussing this. We want the parliament to function. You are introducing 13 bills in the shortest duration of parliament, 15 days. Happy to discuss with you. But we also have an agenda which you have to also be able to debate and discuss. Why is it proving to be so difficult? You have the numbers, you're on the treasury benches, you have your allies. Let's have a discussion. Let's have some answers to questions that people have in their minds. So, what is it about, oh, we can't discuss timeline? And who discusses timeline? It is a parliamentary affairs minister. He has to sit with the chair of the House and the Speaker of the House and the floor leaders and get the date and time decided. So I think they're just creating a problem out of nothing at all because what they're indulging in is nothing but drama of democracy.
Ma'am, what do you think about the Sanchar Sati app, which the government is going to make it mandatory for all the old phones as well as the new
No,
phones?
I think it's absolutely ridiculous. It's invasion of privacy, where now the government wants to snoop into how you engage with people through your phones. It's a instrument which is their right to privacy, but now you would want to see what they're speaking, who they're speaking to, why they're speaking to, at what given location and time, under the garb of national security and their interest. A citizen's interest, besides their rights and their responsibilities, is not something that the government will use as a tool to be able to snoop into everything. Now you would have probably seen a program called Big Boss where every camera follows every single person who's inside the Big Boss house. Now the participant has signed up to be part of the Big Boss house. In this case, citizens haven't been signed up. It is being mandated by the government of India. I think it's absolutely regressive. And every time we ask them for a redressal mechanism to help citizens, what they come up with is a surveillance mechanism. This will be pushed back, and I'm hoping that the Department of Communications will, rethink this entire decision and will take back the circular that they've put out.
You are also going to raise it in the House today, ma'am?
Yeah, we will raise the issues that matter to the people of this country, and this is one of the important issues. And as part of the standing committee member of IT and communications, I'm definitely going to take this up in the parliamentary standing committee.